Dear colleagues, we are on a good way to realize our strategy, what we informed the capital market about in February this year. I would like to give you a big thank you for all the efforts, all the work to realize our strategy. Our strategy, our vision to become the number one in efficiency and sustainability improvement for our clients is important. It is specific important in a highly volatile time as we are living in. Big part of that realization of our strategy, big part to achieve our vision to be the number one, lies in the way how we work together. The functional organization, what we now finalize to implement into our organization, is a key part of it. What does it mean? It actually means that we offer all the competence what we have throughout the Bilfinger group to all the colleagues, no matter where they are, no matter with which customers they work. In 60–70%, as we are organized today, we already have that functional organization. Functional organization is change management. It means we have partly, in some areas nothing, in other areas a lot, to change the way of working. But we have to do that to work more in common, to work more homogeneous, to work more transparent in the whole way how we do business with clients, with our own colleagues, how we support customers, as well as our own colleagues, and of course with the suppliers. This will bring, when it's finalized, a lot of efficiency improvement. Efficiency improvement in that way means it's easier to do the work. Less approvals are required. Less people have to be involved. It's clear who is responsible, and if that is clear, the accountability on the different functions is clear too. And I know if accountability is clear, then creativity and more fun in doing the job is on the list. Wouldn't it be great to know where to get support if you could recognize that over the name of a department, over the titles of the individuals who carry that expertise? Wouldn't it be great to work together with colleagues doing the same job in other parts of the company and having an intensive collaboration throughout the organization? I think it would. It would help us to create more value for our clients. It would create for us a significant easier way of working. So what does it mean? We have the P&L, the full profit and loss responsibility, in 3 segments: EM Europe, EM International, and Technology. And we have our group functions and our expertise, which is going cross over these 3 segments. Let's take an example, the product center. We have the P&L in the 3 segments. The full profit and loss are in the 3 segments, as it is today. 2 of the segments have regions, and 1 of the segment, Technology, has business lines. No change to that what we have today. The product center are a group of people being the expert for that product and supporting all 3 segments if necessary. That is a cross-functional team. It doesn't mean they sit all in the same building. They can sit actually quite diverse, but they work together to support all our people in the front line with information, with expertise, with competence, educating them and to learn from our front line what to improve, what to do better. And on top of it, we will do more innovation. Because when you have these product centers, it is easier to see which all great ideas we have in the front line, what we can use anywhere else too. So, what are the next steps? As I said, 60–70% are already there. For the other part, we will start to work on to implement it. And on the 1st of January 2024, we go live 100% of Bilfinger in a functional organization. Thank you very much.